This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. Oversized waterfront lot offers an award-winning floor plan that features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage with over 2,000 square feet of open living space. As you enter the home, you will notice the long foyer that leads to 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bath on one side and an inside laundry room on the other. Continue down the hallway where you will find the kitchen and combined great room. The kitchen is a chef's dream with an abundance of 42-inch solid wood cabinets, beautiful quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and an eat-at island for additional seating. The kitchen overlooks the massive great room that is the perfect place to gather with friends and entertain on holidays. The 4th bedroom is separate from the other guest bedrooms, which makes it ideal to use as a home office, gym, or any flex room. At the back of the home is the owner's suite, complete with dual closets and attached ensuite. Located in Lakeside Estates in Hudson, this community offers the perfect blend of peace and tranquility away from the hustle and bustle of city life, yet only minutes from major highways for a quick commute to Tampa. Amenities include a pool and clubhouse, playground, basketball and tennis courts, and walking trails throughout. You can make this your forever home. For more information, review the details.